Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Stovetop Yum Yum. Today we're all going to keep nice and cool on the 4th of July, and I'm going to show you with my beautiful nostalgia wooden ice cream maker how we're going to make some easy ice cream, and this episode starts right now. Hey guys, I'm so happy to be back with you guys today. And first and foremost, happy 4th of July to all. Happy birthday to the United States of America. Today my son is 23 years old, so it's a very special day for me. Today we are using, I'm just going to go straight to it, you guys. I'm so excited. We're going to make ice cream today. Homemade ice cream, so simple. Look at this beautiful ice cream maker. It actually has wood on the outside. It's called a Nostalgia Ice Cream Maker, old-fashioned ice cream maker. I picked it up at my local Walmart. Very, very inexpensive and so easy to use. It has the bucket, the container inside to make the ice cream, which I've already chilled it. As you can see, I chilled it to the touch with the lid. And then I have the motor over there, which we're going to bring to it. Now the ingredients for this are so simple. All you need is, I grabbed 2 packets, makes 2 quarts each of chocolate and strawberry, the Nostalgia mix. And all we're going to need is milk, heavy cream, and that's it, you guys. And a couple of little side goodies that I bought so the kids can decorate and flavor their ice cream however they like. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to make the chocolate and the strawberry mixed in here. So that's going to be like so delicious, like chocolate covered strawberries. You guys, and you don't want to miss this. So I'll meet you at the stove with my bowl. We'll mix the ingredients and you'll see how easy this is. And of course we need ice for our ice cream machine. And they suggest that you use rock salt, but it's also the same if you use table salt, the regular salt that you cook with. The reason being is the salt interacts. The salt is a big part of the freezing process. So stay with me, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. We're here with our container. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour 2 cups of whole milk. You can use any milk you like. I like to use whole milk when making ice cream. We are going to use 2 cups of heavy cream. Oh my god, this is going to be so freaking good. So delicious, you guys. 2 cups of heavy cream. And with our mixture, with our Nostalgia mixture, which they sell this at Walmart with the ice cream maker, you can get it right where you see this. You'll see these little packets, which are very convenient. Although the ice cream maker does come with a great booklet that also has lots of recipes to make ice cream. This is so much fun, especially in times like these where we can't go out anywhere. We're in quarantine. We have kids at home. It's so handy to have this at home. It really, really is. So now we are going to open this. Let me grab some scissors. Sometimes these don't open well. I'm going to open this. And I'm going to go ahead with a whisk. Oh my god, it smells so chocolatey. Let me lower this down so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to pour this in with my whisk. We'll slowly pour it in so it can be nice and creamy. Pouring it nice and in, nice and creamy. Oh my god. Looks delish, you guys. Make sure that your canister inside your ice cream machine is chilled before you do any of this. You take it out, put it in the freezer until when it's cold to the touch. Woo! Looks delicious. Alright, so I'm done with this one. So now that we've done this one, oh my god, this looks chocolatey. Look how beautiful that looks, you guys. Oh my goodness. I hope you're all having a great 4th of July. We are so far, as you can see. And you'll notice with the heavy cream that as you're whisking the mix in, your heavy cream will start to expand a little bit. It'll start to get thick, because of course that's what you use. That's what we use in our mixer to make homemade whipped cream. So now we're gonna grab our canister right here, which is, you can see it with the light that it's already cold to the touch. I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna pour it in here. Oh my goodness gracious. Now we have our chocolate in here. Now we are going to make our strawberry. When I come back, I'm going to be mixing the strawberry. We're going to put them in there together. It's going to be chocolate strawberry ice cream. Oh my God, you don't want to miss this, you guys. It doesn't get any better than that. It's like frozen chocolate covered strawberries. That's how delicious this is. I'll be right back. Don't go away. I've got my chocolate mix and my strawberry mix mixed in here in my cold canister. It comes with a little ladle here. You just drop it in. And what I'm doing, make sure it centers right in the middle, which is perfect. Now what we're going to do is, I have the ice here. So we're going to do one layer of ice. Make sure your ice is cut up into small cubes. And that look good. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to put my last tiny bit of salt on top. Nothing major on top, just a little bit to help with the freezing process. And we're done with that. So now, you guys, we are going to take the top of our machine, which is our motor, and we are going to make sure that you align it with this. And then you have the rectangulars, it falls into place. See that? Look at how cute that is. Is that the cutest thing ever? Oh my God, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. I love it. So now I'm going to plug this baby in. It's taken off, you guys. Okay, so now we are going to wait 20 to 30 minutes. And when I come back, we're going to have frozen ice cream. You guys are not going to believe how easy this is, and you are going to love it. I'll be right back. It took me a little while with my little ice cream. Yesterday was a very busy day. Hope you all had a great 4th of July. It was my son's birthday. I'll have pictures following this video so you can see how we grilled. It was so delicious. But here's my ice cream. Yesterday when I took my ice cream off the machine, it was the consistency of like a Wendy's Frosty. Oh my God, it's so delicious. Look at how beautiful that is. Let me grab a spoon. Oh my God. Oh, I tried it yesterday, you guys, and that strawberry chocolate mix. Oh my God. Strawberries and chocolate go so good together. It's so delicious. Look at that. Oh my God. Let's try it. Okay, you guys, here goes nothing. It's not hot, by the way, it's cooled. Oh my God, I'm not even going to grab a napkin, you guys. This is so freaking delicious. I'll get some sprinkles. I love ice cream. Oh my God, I love it. Now I have to go have an apple. So remember, my friends, it's hot this summer. Stay cool. Do something fun in the kitchen. Very inexpensive. And don't ever forget that ice cream will always cool you down, and it is so delicious. That's my preference. Chocolate strawberry. You can make vanilla, you can make any flavor you like. You can actually grab, let me show you what I did. I actually have a Ziploc bag here with crushed Oreos, which my son sprinkled on top yesterday. So it's so versatile, so many toppings that kids like. Gummy bears, cookies, I mean, it all depends. And it is so much fun. And you know what the best part is? You grab this, put it here. We converted our top. It brings a little brown knob to convert it into a lid. Put the lid back on, put it back in the freezer, and we have a gallon of ice cream, and it was homemade, and it was so much fun to make. So remember, fun times, keep cool, and don't forget, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've subscribed already, thank you. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. Hope you all had a great 4th of July. And until the next great video of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you then. Bye.